Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to use the Envato Labs. That is one of the best AI that we can use to generate the video and also the image here. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do, you can try to searching for this Labs Envato. You can input this keyword Labs Envato, and don't worry because this AI can be also accessed from the laptop, smartphone or tab. And in this tab, I'd like to show you how to open it from the laptop here. And you can put the Labs Envato into the Google here. And you can click the Envato Labs as the first suggestion, and this is the look of the homepage. As you can see here that this Envato will offer you to generate a lot of things here, and you can try and explore more about their tools that they have provided. So for the first trial, I will try to do the generation for the image. To generate the image, you can simply open this or click this image again, and it will direct you into the page to put your prompt here. And for example, I will paste my prompt over here, and you can start to generate it. And as you can see that there are let's say it's like 4 credits left to generate this picture. And you can also choose the ratio to become square or landscape and portrait, and also it will help you to enhance the prompt if you need the more detail about the picture that you would like to create. And you can just click generate, and it will direct you into the page. And for example, this is the result that I have provided or I prepared for you guys. So for example, I will generate this prompt, and this is the result. As you can see here, the look is quite really natural and detailed, and it can be also being edited with AI and also use this style. And after that, I have also tried to download this picture too, and let's see the result. As you can see that the picture that I have downloaded, there are no watermark on this picture. And what if we would like to generate the video? So the first step is you can go to this video gen or video generation. You can just simply click it, and you can put your prompt. For example, I put it here. You can choose or put your detail of the prompt, and you can also choose the aspect ratio over here. And unfortunately, there are no any enhancing prompt over here, so make sure that the prompt that you would like to create is already represent about the video that you would like to create. And the information about the credit is still here. It's still the same with the picture over here, that there are 4 credits left to do the generation. And if you're okay with this prompt, then you can continue to generate it. So the generation process approximately will take 5 minutes to go, because it depends on the complexity of your prompt. And don't worry, because I have also prepared the generation video or the generated video, and as you can see that this is the result of the video. the view and also, for example, this green field and also the picture more look really realistic and natural. But maybe we need to do the prompt very correct and also detailed, because as you can see, this man is not are not as the word over here. But that's okay, you can learn more to create the better and proper video. So that's all guys, don't forget to try this Envato AI because it is one of the beautiful result that they have provide for us. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't be hesitant to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe this channel to watch more another tutorial videos. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.